Hello, my friends. Hope everything is going well. I'm back with another great episode. So, today is the part 3 for the series. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on last video. I really appreciate your inspiration. I'm going to make another great video because of inspiration from all of you. This inspiration is really helping me a lot while decide to make another video. So, please be part of Trading Tricky. Of course, you are free to write as you think on the comment section below. I just need your feedback to improve my channel according to your expectation. It will not take too long to write your feedback on the comment section below. So please be part of the participant. We all will grow the channel together so that I can help more people to protect their money. Anyways, let's recap what happened on last two episodes. I have discussed broadly about the candlesticks on the first class. What is opening price, what is closing price, what is high, low, what is wicks, body, and everything on the first class. Also, I have discussed on first class what is line chart, what is graph chart, and what is candlesticks, and how it looks like when you combine both of these. Also, I have discussed how to combine 30 candles into one or how to split one candle into 30s on the first class. Then I have discussed all about these candlesticks, hanging man, shooting star, spinning top, hammer, and inverted hammer on the second class. Those who missed to watch the last two great lessons, I am leaving the link on the right top corner here so that you can watch when you have time. This video is going to be little shorter than the previous one because I'll be discussing on particular pattern on today's lesson so that everyone can remember and apply it effectively. Today I'm going to discuss only about tweezer top and tweezer bottom pattern. Believe me, if you know properly, this will help you on binary trading as well as very effective for forex traders too, especially who loves to scalp the market. But remember, do not apply any new strategy without backtest yourself. I told you that I'll be making on video about backtest the market end of the series, so stay with Trading Tricky so that you will be understand how to backtest the market properly. This will help you a lot to minimize your loss. On things to remind you that do not hurry to make profit rather than try to minimize your losing trade. This system will move you your expected position. So let me show you some formation of tweezer top and tweezer bottom pattern. Tweezer top. Here you can see on tweezer top pattern, the left side candle is green with upper side rejection and the right side candle also upper side rejection but the candle is red. Here is another tweezer top pattern. The formation is almost same, only the rejection from lower side. This is also tweezer top pattern. The left side is green candle is little longer than the red candle and the red candle is smaller than the green candle but the rejection is little longer than the green candle. This is also tweezer top pattern. Both the candle length is almost same and the rejection from both of the side, the upper side and the lower side. So this is all about tweezer top patterns. In the running market, you may see some different kind of tweezer top patterns too. But the condition is all the patterns should form only at the resistance level. When the candle forms, when the pattern forms on the resistance levels, then you can consider this is tweezer top pattern. Tweezer bottoms. Here we can see tweezer bottoms pattern. Both the candle length is same. The left side candle is red, the right side candle is green. Both the candle has rejection from lower side. This is same candle, only rejection from upper side. This is also tweezer bottom pattern, though the candle length is different as I told you above. Here also tweezer bottom pattern, both the candle length is almost same, the rejection from both the side. The tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms pattern can be little different depend on market condition, market situation, and market structure. So this is all about tweezer bottoms pattern. The condition is to form the tweezer bottoms on the support level. When you see this kind of candle on the support level, then you can consider this is tweezer bottoms pattern. Now let me show you this formation on the chart. Tweezer tops. Let's consider the market started from support level, green candle, again green candle and green candle. This is tweezer tops pattern. The condition is left side should be a level, something like this. Now this is tweezer tops pattern. As we know now, this is tweezer tops pattern and forms exactly at the level. So this is proved tweezer tops pattern. Let's analyze this market. What will happen after this tweezer tops pattern? We know the market force. This is very strong force from buyers. Market stop at the level. Then we can see strong sellers entry. Closing point is exactly at the level. What does it mean by this? This tweezer tops will be work something like this, because after this tweezer top, this is a strong candle. This is a strong sellers close at the level, but the left side buyers momentum is also very strong. Due to this level, we can see on sellers entry, but after this candle, definitely there will be buyers entry. Now let me show you the candle here. Green candle. Now you can see that green candle unable to break the level. It means the buyers is not enough strong to break the level on next candle. But if the candle forms something like this with upper side rejection, then you can go with buyers for another minute. As the candle form exactly at the level, then definitely after this candle we can expect sellers entry here, maybe like this, or it could be strong sellers. So let's see what happened on next candle. Okay, there is small gap still and sellers already started to enter. The rejection from here like this here. So we have to consider now buyers are here and sellers are waiting here. Candle close middle of this level. It means as sellers started, then the market supposed to go at least to this level. After this situation, we can go with sellers definitely, but it would be better if you place the trade little above. Let's see what happened here. Okay, sellers entry, new low. Okay, strong red candle. Let's see what happened here. We know this is sellers entry level. It was buyers entry level, but it has been broken by this rejection, by this candle, by the sellers, because we know sellers are here. Now candle open due to this gap or due to this buyer. Due to this buyer, we have certainly buyer's entry, but this is a strong level. So at the end, the candle close at the level, at the rejection level. Now this is very important candle for a traders. Let's see what happened. Okay, green candle with upper side rejection. It means buyers was tried, but there we can see small low too. Yeah, little new low. It was okay. There is gap, but this is not a level. This is a level now. Now, even after strong sellers, we have some buyers entry because of these buyers. So after this situation, normally we can go with buyers at least for 1 minute and then we can decide for another trade. Okay, green candle, but this is not enough strong to make another green candle because let me tell you, Most of the traders will consider this is a strong candle because there is no rejection from upper side. It means they consider there is no sellers, but there is sellers because of this rejection, because of this rejection. So you have to consider everything while trading. This is a level candle, so it means this can be a retrace candle because upper side rejection, and here we can see rejection. So the gap has been filled. Now after this situation we can definitely expect seller's entry. Seller's entry, and there is new low. Candle is very strong and engulfing candle too. Sellers entry, very strong sellers. There is new low, and this is an engulfing candle too. So definitely sellers will enter. Again there is new low. Okay, strong sellers, but there is a small gap to this level. This is sellers momentum now, but previous two candle has rejection from lower side. This candle has rejection from upper side and lower side too. Now analyze the market yourself and let me write in the comment section below what will be the next candle. This is question number 1. So this is about tweezer tops pattern. Now let me show you another formation. This is tweezer bottoms. Let's consider the market started from resistance level. The sellers are trying to enter. Still strong sellers, again strong sellers. So all the candles are very strong. Now suddenly buyer's entry. Maybe the left side has level, we don't know. But if the left side has a level, then this is definitely tweezer bottoms pattern. And this tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms, there is little different. Can you identify this different? We can see both the candle length is same, rejection also almost same, but here we can see this is red candle closing price, this is green candle opening price. So there is gap. Though there is gap, but still this is tweezer bottoms pattern. This tweezer bottoms act as a retrace candle, but this tweezer bottoms pattern will act as a continuation candle because there is gap. I will tell you each and everything later. Buyers entry, but this is not strong buyers, rather than we can see some sellers interested on this candle. So after that normally we can expect sellers entry because this is very strong sellers momentum. Only we have two candles here, but this candle is not strong because we have sellers entry. Though at the end there is buyers entry because this is tweezer bottoms pattern. Now let me show you the next candle. Okay, red candle. As I told you here, this candle, this rejection means that sellers are interested, but some of traders will consider this candle is rejection from buyers because this candle, this is a strong buyers entry, again rejection from buyers, but this is strong. I have told each and everything on my educational course. After watching my educational course, you will not have even single doubt in your mind. You will know each and everything very clearly. So as I told you, this is sellers interested. Then we have sellers entry here. But this candle, there is no enough sellers. Though this is a strong candle compared with this is an engulfing candle, but we can draw the level. If this is kind of 30 minutes candle, then we can draw the level. After that, mostly we can expect here buyer's entry because maybe the market is trying to reverse from here, as this candle unable to touch this lower of this previous candle too. Okay, so after this scenario, after this situation, mostly we can expect buyer's entry, but I don't recommend to place trade after this candle, because due to this momentum there can be sellers, because due to this formation there can be buyers too. There are 50-50 chances, but mostly buyers will enter, and we will try to place trade only after break the market either side. Within the range we will not try to place any trade. Like here we have a small candle, here is small candle, then we will try to avoid or trade here. Or if we see a strong candle here, something like this, it is forming, like this is red candle, still we can go with buyers for 1 minute. But if this is again green candle close at the level, then we can go with sellers again, something like this formation, because every after one candle the market will reverse at least for 5 to 6 candle. Remember this. So you can play with this candle, upper side 3 trades and the lower side 3. Maybe you will lose out of 6 trade, you will lost on trade, last trade, but at least you can win 5 trades. I have told each and everything on my educational course. If you are interested, you can collect from me. For the details, you can contact me on Telegram. Let me show you what happened here. Okay, buyer's entry. Now after this situation, we can consider this is seller's entry. See, here we have considered seller's entry. Here also we are considering this is seller's entry. So this is rejection from lower side, this is rejection from upper side. You have to understand each and everything. Though the rejection from different side, but I am considering both the candle has seller's entry, and there is reason which I have told on my educational course. Anyway, after this candle, we can expect seller's entry definitely, because the level is going to break soon. Anyway, let me show you another formation here. Seller's entry, again seller's entry. See, there is different. Strong sellers, little more stronger than this candle, but this candle some buyers are interested. Again strong sellers and almost similar kind of sellers. See, gradually sellers becoming weaker. Can you recognize this? This is small candle because the sellers is going to weaker. Suddenly sellers entry. Now if you see here, like if you check all this candle is completely different than others candle. Why? Because sudden sellers entry. But every candle we have some buyers entry. Okay, here buyers entry, but this candle there is no buyers on upper side, only we can see some interest from lower side. And when you see this kind of market, this type of scenario, after this scenario, after this symptom, we can expect on buyers entry after this candle, and definitely we can expect buyers if the candle form at the level, like strong level, this candle form here, definitely we can expect buyers entry. And sometimes there can be like an engulfing candle too. Less time the market will break. Most of the time we can see the level is breaking when we see this is strong momentum, sellers momentum, then we can see here another sellers, but that is different case. You have to know each and everything. This candle is different, completely different. So definitely after this we can expect buyers entry. But if there is, we can see like this one candle, then again another candle, then we can expect sellers entry here. So you have to check each and everything. You have to check the market condition, situation and structure too, and you have to check the last candle. Last candle is very important for a binary trader. So let me show you the candle buyers entry, and this is tweezer bottoms pattern, complete tweezer bottoms pattern, though this candle, there is no rejection, but still this is tweezer bottoms pattern because the candle formed at the level. We are considering left side is a level. If this is not a level, then this is not a tweezer bottoms pattern. Now, after this candle, we can see the scenario is almost same. After this tweezer bottom, we have buyer's entry. Do you think this tweezer bottoms will work? This is question number 2. Obviously, I will show you, but before I show, just think of yourself what will be the next candle. Well, this will be red candle. Why? Because this is very strong seller's entry. Due to this level, we have strong buyer's entry, something like this on the left side, something like this. We have buyer's entries. This is almost similar things, except this candle. This is a strong level. We have buyer's entry, so definitely after this, we can expect seller's entry. But this is if the market is an uptrend, then maybe there will have something like this red candle. But if this is an uptrend market, then we can expect the sellers little weaker like this, but definitely there will be sellers. Even after push the market something like this, there's supposed to be sellers entry. So about 85 to 90% time after this situation, we can expect sellers entry. Let me show you the candle here. Sellers entry. So this is all about tweezer bottoms pattern. Now I'm going to show you some different kind of tweezer bottoms and tweezer tops pattern from complete chart. Here we have a chart. Can you identify any tweezer tops or tweezer bottoms pattern? Yes, you are right. This is tweezer tops pattern. Though the right side candle is smaller than the left side, there is no any rejection from upper side. It means direct seller's entry. We can see the left side there was a level. This is breakout candle. Breakout candle. Sudden buyer's entry. There is no rejection, so we can see seller's entry. There is gap on the lower side. We have some gap to this level. As I told you, when there is gap, so the gap should be filled, which we have seller's entry here. So this tweezer tops pattern work as a continuation candle because there is gap and the market structure. Now let me show you another chart here. Can you recognize any tweezer tops or bottoms? Yes, here it is. Now let me tell you why we have strong buyers after this tweezer bottoms. As I showed you previously, when we have similar kind of candle, then most of the time this will be a retrace candle. It means after this we can expect seller's entry. But here we have different. Why? Because there is level. This is breakout candle. Though there is small gap, this is not a considerable gap. Like we have very small gap. This is not a considerable gap. Only due to this rejection, due to this candle, and due to market structure, we have very strong buyers entry because this is very strong sellers. Sellers become weaker. We can see. Let me make it clean. Rejection from lower side. There is no rejection. Some buyers interested. Sellers become more weaker. Candle close here. Even after push by the sellers, it's unable to make red candle after this situation. As sellers unable to make red candle after this situation, rather than we have strong buyers because this force is confirming us this is strong buyers now because of this level, because of this structure, mostly this structure. Therefore, we have buyer's entry. Now let me show you another chart. Okay. Can you identify here any tweezer tops or tweezer bottoms? Okay, here it is. This is tweezer tops pattern. See, this is kind of same things here, like this tweezer tops and this tweezer tops is almost same. This is a level. Only the different is there is no rejection, but here we have rejection. There is gap. So this gap has to be filled. Either this gap, there is few gaps, there is round numbers, and this is next level. So there are more possibilities to enter sellers after this situation, because the trend is not strong uptrend or downtrend. Maybe the market is sideways market, because we can see from here we have sellers entry, strong sellers entry. Here we have direct sellers entry. We have some buyers from this level. Candle close here. It means this tweezer tops pattern will work as a continuation candle. So let me show you if there is any tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms. This is tweezer bottoms pattern. Here we have, see, actually this candle has lower side rejection on the green candle, but there we have rejection on red candle, but the meaning is same. There is little gap of something like this, because maybe the market condition is like this. There is gap up or down. See, this is closing price, this is opening price, so there is gap. This is closing, this is opening. So you have to check each and everything while trading, otherwise there will be bad results. See, this is closing price, this is opening. So every candle there is gap up or down. See, this is closing, but this is opening. So most of the candle there is, this is closing, this is opening. So most of the candle there is gap up or gap down. You have to check each and everything while trading. Now we have strong sellers, again strong sellers. This rejection confirms that there is no strong sellers because of this market condition. Because of this market condition. Okay. So when we have see strong rejection from lower side, then here we have buyer's entry. But if the trend is, if the market is something like this, then there we can expect another seller's entry. So market condition and structure is very, so the market condition and structure is very important for trading. Now let me make it clean. Now as there is gap, and due to this market condition only there is gap, and due to this market condition, overall condition, we have buyer's entry. But sometimes you can avoid your trade if there is any confusion. Now let me show you the final chart here. Can you find something interesting here? Okay, so here it is. This is Tweezer tops pattern, and see, this is very danger candle, as I told you on early video and on my educational courses too. This is very danger candle, and this is very effective candle too while trading. This is kind of danger candle. Now there is gap. We can see there is indecision candle, like very small buyers candle, because of this market movement. Then suddenly buyers entry. When you see any sudden buyers or sellers entry, then definitely there are signs to enter sellers. And if this is a level like this, if this is a level, then definitely After this sudden buyer's entry, we can expect seller's entry. As there is gap, both the candle has rejection from upper side. This rejection is more, and this candle confirms. Let me make it plain. This small candle confirms there is hidden level. Okay, this price action confirms there is hidden level. This price action. I have told each and everything on my educational course. Now we can see there is gap, so we have seller entry. So this is actually all different kind of tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms pattern. Now you need to identify which type of tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms pattern will work in which situation. Actually, most of traders we know when we see this is like this is green candle and this is red candle. So this is tweezer tops pattern. So when there is any candle is smaller than any other, then they consider this is not a tweezer tops or tweezer bottoms pattern. But this is wrong. Only remember, if this is green candle and this is red, stronger than this is an engulfing. Otherwise, even like this is green candle, there is one red candle and another red candle. So combine these three candle, we can consider as a tweezer tops pattern too. Because now if you combine this two red candle into one, so this is tweezer tops pattern. You have to understand each and everything while trading so that you can minimize your loss, you can protect your money, and you can grow your account. On request to all of my subscribers, do not invest real money unless you verified your result. Try to analyze the market and analyze the trade you taken. If you're satisfied with your trading result, then you can move on trading. Otherwise, try to learn properly before you burn your money. If you have time, then learn yourself or try to learn from someone else beside you. Or you can collect the learning course from me if you are interested. There is three different kind of course. The complete course of educational videos, the expert version of learning course, the sure short training course. The money is yours, so the decision also yours. I hope you found something interesting on this class too. If you so, then please don't forget to leave your feedback on the comment section below and share the video with your friends so that they can be benefited too. If you didn't enjoy the class, still you are welcome to write your feedback on the comment section below. All of your comments is highly appreciated. Bye for today. See you soon on the next class. Till then, take care. Thanks.